Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Did you know that you can awaken your intuition or inner voice through the use of numerology? In this video, we will discuss how you can use numerology to help you strengthen your intuition. We are all capable of using and developing our intuitive skills. We can utilize our intuition to decipher the meanings behind the symbols and hidden messages we come across in our daily lives. Numerology can assist you in starting the process of decoding your own symbols and connecting with your intuition and inner voice. Your soul number is one of the numerology symbols which can help you connect with your intuition. It is an essential component of your inner self. It symbolizes your inner sentiments, motivations, dreams, and spiritual strengths and sensitivity. Many people are either oblivious of or unable to hear their inner voice. They may keep their inner dreams hidden, unable to realize them. Your soul number is one of the keys to accessing your soul's secrets. It can be calculated by adding the values of the digits that represent the vowels in your name. I created a short overview about soul urge numbers, which you will find at the end of this video. Let's say your soul urge number is number 1. Your soul desires innovation and originality. You are quite proud of your abilities. You have an intense desire to be acknowledged for your abilities. Outwardly, you may reject feelings of value and compliments from others. Additionally, in your desire to control the large picture and the important difficulties, you may frequently delegate the tiny things to others. What does your soul number indicate about you? What thoughts or wishes have you had that you dismissed as impossible? These dreams may be related to your soul urge number. Tuning into your inner voice, vibration, or intuition is what your soul number is all about. Consider listening to your own inner melody. Everywhere you go, people react to the vibrations of your soul. Listening to your soul can help you to foster growth of your intuition and build more intimate relationships. Journaling and artwork can help you to develop your intuition. You may identify the colors represented by your name by looking at the digits in your name and creating a simple sketch or a complicated oil painting based on those colors. Then take a step back and consider how the painting makes you feel and what ideas and feelings come to mind as you gaze at the completed piece. We are all vibrant, energetic souls, and it is critical to recognize that we are more than our bodies. Understanding your personal energy, inner voice, and feelings is the first step toward connecting with your intuition. If you want to learn more about numerology secrets, spiritual growth, or personal development, please don't forget to subscribe. Moving towards and embracing these energies and emotions can allow you to better access your intuition. In today's environment, we frequently repress or avoid bad or negative experiences and feelings in order to have only good or positive emotions and sensations. Negative feelings or emotions might indicate that something is amiss. As a result, no emotion should be suppressed or lived extensively. What many people consider bad emotions might aid you in your journey into the unconscious and intuition. The ability to feel and express emotions is more significant than you may think. Emotions play an important role in your reactions since they are the felt response to a specific event. When you're in tune with them, you have access to vital information that can aid you with relational success and decision-making, everyday connections and relationships, or self-care. While emotions can be beneficial in everyday life, when they go out of control, they can have a negative impact on your mental health and interpersonal connections. To develop your intuition, you must find methods to let go and unleash your heart. Living genuinely is part of freeing your soul. We are all only performers on life's stage. Our goal is to discover and live out our genuine roles, rather than the ordinary ones that we may slip into. The way you talk to yourself may either push you ahead or hold you back. In times of emotional suffering, having a mantra to tell yourself might help you reframe your ideas, thoughts, and feelings. Instead of getting stuck in, "I can't believe this happened to me," try a positive mantra such as, "I am fortunate to be able to find a new path in life, one that is good for me." It's not unusual to hear someone advise you to separate yourself from the person or event that is upsetting you. Creating physical or psychological distance between ourselves and the person or situation can help with letting go, for the simple reason that we are not having to think about it, process it, or being reminded of it as much. If you avoid unpleasant feelings because you are afraid of feeling them, you are not alone. People are terrified of emotions like grief, rage, disappointment, and despair. Instead of feeling them, many try to block them out, which can stymie the process of letting go. These bad feelings ebb and flow like riptides. Allow them to flow from you. It may require mental health treatment, but battling them might leave you trapped. You should not label yourself using any personality or intuitive system. Yes, you are a highly trustworthy individual, but you can also have fun. You will have several numbers that reflect who you are in numerology, not just one. Your own numbers might suggest parts of your life where you flourish and places where you will face challenges. Learning to navigate around and through these challenges will help you improve in several aspects of your life. We create our own blockages when we strive against who we are. Dealing with these issues might be much more difficult than accepting the task in the first place. Dealing with problems and barriers may help you gain confidence and learn more about your physical, mental, and spiritual nature. As you explore different aspects of yourself, you will learn about your weaknesses, accept them, and work on ways to improve yourself. Handling these challenges will teach you new ways of expressing yourself as you open up and gain endurance and capacity. You will progressively raise the lid on some elements of your personality and emotions while doing so. Finally, when you learn to express, feel, and be in your body, you will be able to tap into your intuitive side and inner voice. Getting in touch with your physical body may be quite beneficial while learning to accept and express your emotion. We may examine our chakras since we are electrical creatures. Your soul number can indicate where you should focus your attention. Each chakra also allows us to satisfy a profound inner need. Your chakras are in constant motion, offering your personal energy vibration to the world around you and the people in your life. If your soul number is number 1, your soul desires life circumstances that enable you to be passionate and creative. Red might be your favorite color, and it can help you in a variety of situations. Feeling into the energy surrounding the base of the spine might assist your efforts. If you suppress the emotions indicated by this soul number, you may experience difficulties or problems with survival, security, and passion. Symptoms may also appear in the adrenal glands, kidneys, spinal column, intestines, legs, or bones. We cannot fully and completely conceal our feelings since they will ultimately express themselves. Our own energy and emotions must flow like blood through our veins. Trying to exist without allowing our emotions to flow is like to operating a car without ever changing the oil. Often problems with our health can be an indication that some larger issue is at hand. But when you listen to your body, you can begin to take the steps necessary for being whole, healthy, and vibrant. As you take the steps towards greater personal awareness, you help to unlock the door that prevents you from fully accessing your intuition. Meditation can be highly beneficial in improving your intuition. Many gurus and authors emphasize the significance of quieting the mind and then connecting with your intuition through meditation. I love to meditate, and I will also create some different meditation videos on this channel. If you are interested, please give this video a thumbs up or comment below. If you meditate, you will be able to access your inner knowledge and intuition more easily. To begin cultivating development in your intuition, you may need to find easy strategies first to spark your imagination. You must become familiar with your ideas in order to expand your imagination. If you are a soul urge number 1, what are your best days for finding quiet time? 1, 7, 9, 16, 18, 25. 27 days can be the best days to spend alone or make time to meditate. These include the calendar days and your numerological days as well. Also, the hours of 1, 7, and 9 can be good times to meditate. Feel into it for yourself and see what works best for you. Know that there is always guidance accessible to you while developing your intuition. How sensitive are you to the subliminal signs all around you? You may assist your intuition grow and extend by acquiring the skill to quiet your thoughts, remain still, and be comfortable with silence. Find ways to implement your intuition in your daily life as you develop it. Give yourself and others intuitive readings. Increase your vocabulary and create a rich tapestry of words on which to build your own and others' reading. In this sense, seeing a crow may become a key that unlocks your inner universe, and it becomes much more than just a crow. It becomes an index into your inner encyclopedia, and you may move forward from there. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.